Workers in navy blue uniforms installing the elaborate facilities on F deck, featuring steam rooms, cooling rooms, and massage rooms in the Oriental style.
She's in position! Aye, well done, lads.
Check the alignment on strake 42. We need 2 inches clear on the upper seam.
Anchors away, my boys, anchors away. Farewell to college joys, we sail at break of day. Full reverse on the port engine. Harder port, look out! We're gonna hit it! Farewell, everyone.
Goodbye, safe travels.
Let's see the manufacturing of Titanic RMS.
Plate 345, 30 by 6.
1.5 inches at the keel.
345, 1.5 inches. 30 feet long, 6 feet wide. 1.5 inches thick at the hull connection.
Confirmed, sir. Ready for cutting.
Line it up, move it left. All right, hit the lever. Watch your hands on the lift.
Keel laying ceremony on March 31, 1909. The first massive keel block is lowered into place on the slipway. Workers in navy blue uniforms positioning the first vertical keel plates using massive chain blocks and overhead gantry cranes, each plate weighing several tons being lowered with millimeter precision.
Check the spacing on frame 44. It's true to the template. Right, move to the next section. Check the measurements on frame 50. Verified, 36 inches. Looks perfect.
The stern frame being assembled. Workers in navy blue uniforms positioning the massive steel casting that will support the rudder and center propeller.
Bring it down slow. Watch the edge. We're clear on this side. She's in position. Secure the beam. Hold it steady. More power on that rivet.
Lower deck G deck, beginning construction. Workers installing the steel framework that will eventually support squash courts and the main post office. The reciprocating engine room foundations being laid. Workers in navy blue uniforms positioning the massive steel bed plates.
We need another quarter turn on that forward bolt. Aye, leveling looks good now, boss.
Check the clearance on the center shaft.
Looks good, sir. 75 feet clear.
All right, lock it down.
Deflection looks good on this side. How are the stern bearings? Clearance is tight, but she's sliding true.
All right, bring her in slow. We need another foot to starboard. Hold it right there. Heave! Pull on that chain, lads. Watch the rollers, easy now.
Bring her down slow now. We need millimeter precision here. Tap it over just a fraction. All right, lower it slowly. Watch the starboard side. It's catching on the bearing. Hold the descent. We need a clearance check here.
She's in position. Aye, well done, lads.
Curvature for D deck starts here. Let's double check the measurements.
Aye, Foreman. It's all laid out according to the plans.
The RMS Titanic was massive, measuring 882.5 feet long. Here we see the first-class dynamics. The grand staircase workers and master carpenters assembled the magnificent oak staircase. descending from the boat deck. Workers in navy blue uniforms installing the elaborate facilities on F deck, featuring steam rooms, cooling rooms, and massage rooms in the Oriental style.
Ah, c'est parfait. Excellent travail, messieurs. Merci, monsieur. The café will be ready soon.
In Tormer Sports. RMS Titanic was a massive Olympic-class ocean liner, measuring 882.5 feet.
Anchors away, my boys, anchors away. Farewell to college joys, we sail at break of day.
Full reverse on the port engine. Harder port. Look out. We're going to hit it. Farewell, everyone.
Goodbye, safe travels.
This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We did not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.